At the end of this module, you'll understand the principles of Dali64 lighting control system. Understand the principles of Dali64 BMS lighting control system. Dali system is ideal for education and commercial office space with exposed soffits. The control of lights can be provided via a master PIR sensor and additional slave PIR sensors, DaliNet. Dali system controls up to 16 independent programmable lighting groups. 16 independent programmable scenes, for example, 30% light level on the first row of lights and 100% rest of the room. With tunable white luminaires, this provides an option of setting the color temperature of the room from warm yellow to a colder white. Dali64 system is connected by using a 5-core cable. The standard electrical 3-core wires connect to the 240-volt mains, and the remaining 2 wires allows you to connect to the Dali bus network. What is the Dali64 system? The Dali64 lighting control system is a fully featured standalone Dali lighting control system. Controls up to 64 luminaires, 64 device addresses, for example PIR motion sensors, scene plates, switch inputs, etc., and a wireless switching option. The Dali64 lighting control system can be connected to the BMS and enables you to control the color temperature of the luminaires to match natural circadian rhythms. Full color temperature changing via scene recall has proven to increase alertness, well-being, and productivity. A Dali64 system controls up to 16 independent programmable lighting groups and 16 scenes via a wall switch with a Dali input module, a Bluetooth wireless switch, a Dali scene plate to control multiple luminaire groups which can call up preset lighting scenes, and the end user can carry out simple day-to-day actions by using an infrared controller called a quick control. The quick control provides an on-off override, dim lights up and down, and recall up to 6 preset lighting scenes. Programming and commissioning is achieved by using a tablet and the Light Touch by Honeywell app, which is only available through the Google Play Store. The app allows you to configure the Dali64 lighting control system by communicating via Bluetooth wireless technology with the master PIR sensor. To do this, point the tablet at the sensor, which then allows you to program each light in the room independently. Dali64 system. The Dali64 lighting control system can be connected to the BMS via the SYLK variant of the Dali64 over the SYLK bus. The Dali64 BMS lighting system allows you to integrate the lighting system into a Saia Burgess Controls BMS system through a PCD supervisor by using a PG5 IRM controller. The PG5 IRM controller connects to a master PIR sensor and a V-wall display. This allows for the native lighting system to be controlled automatically through the BMS system. To integrate the system further, the PG5 IRM controller connected to a fan control unit allows the control of the heating and cooling system as well as control of the lighting system for the room. For full integration into a BMS system, the PG5 IRM controller can be connected to a PCD controller over the SAS bus or the Modbus network connection. PCD controller can then be connected via Ethernet to a PCD supervisor to allow data such as time delay, light level, absence or presence mode, scenes or load shedding to be shared between rooms, floors, or the building, and allows for the user to visualize and control their lighting system. In this module, we learnt about the principles of a Dali64 lighting control system and the principles of a Dali64 BMS lighting control system. We hope you enjoyed this training course and found it useful. Thank you and goodbye.